Let's see how to delete a Gmail account on your iPhone in 2026. You just need to come here to settings and then you go all the way down and tap on apps. From here, you're gonna find the Mail app. So just come down until you find it, or you can just search for it. There we go, Mail. Tap on it. In here, you're gonna see your account. I have here Mail account. So I just tap on this one. In here, I see the account that I want to delete. So just need to tap on it. And from here, see the option delete account. So tap on this option and confirm that you want to delete the account for your iPhone. There we go. Hit delete here, wait for a while, and it's going to delete your account. And you see the option here as inactive account. Okay, so very simple. Basically, that's the way you can delete your Gmail account from your iPhone in 2026. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.